way!
Wow!
Nice!
Okay.
What?
Wow, who are you? I'm a slime fairy. I can teach you how to make good slimes. Come on. Now I will teach you how to make slimes.
Yeah!
Wow, my slime is so funny! My slime is so cool!
Wow, it's so elastic!
Let's add some glitter!
Okay.
So stretchy! Wow! Mommy, let's make a long slime together!
Yeah, let's do it.
Wow, this slime is so warm!
It's fantastic.
Come on!
What?
Oh no, Max! What have you done?
Don't be sad. Let's make a slime cake.
Really? Yeah, let's do it!
Cake? I love cakes!
Let's go together!
Nice!
Come on!
Okay.
Now I will show you how to make slime bubbles.
Yeah!
Wow! Nice!
Oh yeah!
Wow! Now me! Oh, wow!
I wanna make one too!
Okay.
Hey! What's wrong with my slime?
No, Daddy, let me show you.
Okay.
Oh.
No.
Oh, not again! Why it's so hard?
No, Daddy, watch me properly.
Oh, yeah! I made a bubble too!
Oh, so gooey and stretchy.
And now let's make cakes.
Yeah!
Wow!
No way!
Wow!
Cool!
Help me to decorate them.
Yeah, sure.
Wow!
Come on! Nice! Nice! Cool!
My cake is so beautiful.
And mine look fantastic!
Try to touch your cake.
Okay, okay. Wow, it looks like jelly.
Aha! Ha ha ha!
Wow. No, Max, what are you doing? I want to play. Okay, let's go play with ice cream truck.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow!
Cool.
Look, Max, I'm making orange ice cream. Wow! I will make blueberry ice cream.
Okay.
Wow! Wow!
Ice cream!
I want some ice cream.
But it's unusual ice cream.
I want ice cream. Hurry up, please.
No, don't eat it. It's slime.
Huh?
What's this? Play with it.
Cool.
Cool.
Nice.
It's the best ice cream ever!
Fantastic.
We have more cool slimes, even popcorn. Wow! Wow! It's like popcorn.
But don't eat that!
Wow, this one was deep and it's really cool and soft.
Wow.
My slime is smiling. Hey, cool.
Oh, my slime is so pretty!
Wow.
My turn.
Cool.
Our slimes are better. No other. Girls make cooler slimes. Na 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 na. No. Boys. Girls.
Oh! Let's make slime challenge!
Yeah, let's check who's better, girls or boys.
Yeah. Wow.
So huge slime. Give us, it's our slime. No.
It's our slime!
We get it first. Give it to us.
We need it more.
Give it us.
I have slimes for everyone! Let's see who can make the bigger bubble.
Yeah, let's do it. She's gonna show you. Let's do it. Our bubble is so big.
Yeah!
Our is bigger.
Wait!
Watch us.
Nice.
Our bubble is huge.
Oh.
I wanna make the big bubble.
Okay.
Hey guys! Let's make together huge slime bubble and hide there!
Yeah.
Cool.
Sasha, you're the first!
Yay!
Come on.
make one more slime bubble together!
Mommy, look what I have!
What is this?
Oh.
Uh-huh.
It's a watermelon. Wow.
Nice. Cool.
Let's make slime in watermelon!
Now we need to add color. We need more.
Yeah!
A big slime bubble! It looks like real watermelon!
Yeah. Let's go. I have an idea.
Nice.
Ho ho ho! Aha!
It's slime in the watermelon!
Let's have a challenge!
Let's go!
Uh-huh.
I want beautiful color! It's our turn!
Huh? Huh?
Wow.
You ran away from me!
Nice.
Shh.
Oh yeah!
Wow! Our slime is so cool! Our slime is good too. Wow!
Cool!
Yeah! Let's make a giant slime!
Good idea!
Yeah!
At first, we need to take a glue.
A lot of glue! Wow!
Which color do you want?
Blue!
Yeah, great choice!
Yes, yes! Oh, wow! Wow, it's so beautiful!
Let's make our slime fluffy.
We need the last ingredient!
Yeah, slime activator! It's so stretchy!